Hi guys, today I have Beast Midnight Sun. Well, it's actually my second album of Midnight Sun because, the first album that I bought, it didn't have a photo card inside. What the hell? So I decided to buy another copy. Hope that I'll get a photo card here. So, wish me luck. Let's open it up. So this album comes with a box. Well, it has a tape, so we better open the tape. So, take out the box, and here you have the actual album. A beast and this masquerade mask with this awesome jewelry thingy, I guess. So, yeah. Here's Beast 5th mini album Midnight Sun. Here's this bind, keep Beast 5th mini album Midnight Sun. At the back you have this Midnight Sun logo, and you have the tracklist. Yeah, that's pretty much all. This matte finish, awesome. And here you have the CD and Beast writings here. And here you have the photo book. Before that, let's hide the full card. Okay, I hid the photo card under my pillow next to me, so yeah, I didn't say it. Okay, photo book. Group shot. The tracklist again. Group shot. Jun Hyun Song. Yosop Jin Hyun. Kwang Dong Won. Group shot nih. Jun Hyun Song. Jin Hyun. Yosop Kwang Dong Won. And now pictures with water. We have Jun and Hyun Song. Jin Hyun Yosop. Kwang Dong Won. Yeah. Okay. Group shot thing. The lyrics for all the songs. And here is the last page and credits plus Midnight Sun symbol thingy logo. So yeah, that's the album. Now let's see the poster. So here's the poster. Beast, Midnight Sun, Jun Hyun Song, Jin Hyun Yosop, Dongwon, and Kwang. I like the suits. It's pretty unique. It's awesome. I've never seen the suits like that, so it's pretty awesome. Good. So let's see the four card. Well, I'm hoping for Dujun or Kikwang because my friends like them. So if I can show the photo card, I can teach them. So I'm gonna show you 1, 2, 3. I got Hyun Song. Here's the back with his signature. That's not a real problem because my Beast Midnight Sun album that I've already bought doesn't come with a photo card, so any photo card is fine from Beast, since it's their first photo card as well. I don't know what I should do with my another album of Midnight Sun. Do I have to make a giveaway of that album? Yeah, please leave your comments about that. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all Beast Midnight Sun 5th mini album. With the album photo book here and with this as the masquerade mask, it's pretty cool. And also you have the box so that the mask won't get damaged. Full card and poster. So, hope you enjoyed. Please leave your comments, click the like buttons, and also click the subscribe button. Bye.